Welcome to the Comics Cafe. Today we're giving you an exclusive behind-the-scenes look at how we craft your favorite 3D printed miniatures and statues. At the Comics Cafe, we offer a curated selection of single or two-color primed models, each available in limited quantities. Once we receive your order, the process begins with setting up the print plate and starting the 3D printer. Using high-quality resin, the printer builds your model layer by layer. Safety first. Resin printing involves chemicals, so we always wear gloves and follow proper precautions. After printing, the model is removed and processed. We clean, cure, and sand the piece to ensure a smooth and detailed finish. Once the model is prepped, we assemble separate pieces, carefully gluing them together for a seamless fit. Here you can see our stunning War Sentinel coming to life. Next, it's time to prime. We use black spray paint as the base, followed by a protective coat of lacquer. Safety is key. We always wear masks while spray painting. While the primer dries, here's a sneak peek at our new Joker model, inspiring us with his iconic question, "Why so serious?" Once the model is fully dry, we prepare it for shipping. Our packaging, supplied by PyRsquare.com, includes sturdy paper tubes and protective bubble wrap to ensure safe delivery. These paper tubes can withstand rough handling better and ensure safer deliveries across India. You can go to their website PyRsquare.com and search for the paper tubes. I'll add their links in the description below. Dry brushing is a simple technique that adds depth and highlights to your model. It's perfect for creating stunning effects like on our War Sentinel. I've previously added a video dedicated to dry brushing. The link is in the description. We recommend regular synthetic paint brushes and acrylic colors from Brustro or Vallejo. You can use any other acrylic colors too for painting, but the finish of the model depends on your skills as well as the quality of paints you use for painting. Now, let me unveil our latest model we're painting, a model inspired by the iconic Warhammer figurine we're painting for the Comics Cafe. If you can guess the name of the captain, let us know in the comments below. Join us on this exciting painting crusade and order your very own 3D printed model. Over time, we'll also offer community-driven painting services for your models. Whether you're looking to add a masterpiece to your collection or gift a beautifully hand-painted 3D model to your anime-loving friends, our talented community of painters is here to help. These painters are improving their skills as part of the vibrant hobby culture we're building right here at the Comics Cafe, Bangalore. This initiative is one of our ways of connecting our community to the culture we are trying to build here. We and our community members at the Comics Cafe would appreciate it if you could share this video with your friends, connect us with more groups, and give this video a thumbs up. Together, let's keep growing this incredible culture. Thank you for watching and see you next time at the Comics Cafe.